Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So y'all already know the drill. It is another wig install video, but today's wig is layers, baby. Today's wig has a lot of layers in it, and as you can already see, the lace has already melted into the skin, and I have not done nothing to the lace. And of course, before I get into actually installing or securing the wig down, I want to show you girls the parting space on this wig. I get about 6 inches of parting space on this wig, so the parting space is pretty deep on this wig, and you can pretty much part this wig anywhere. Also, the parting on this wig is pretty clean, so you won't really have to do any extra plucking as far as like cleaning up the part on your wig. Also, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. Now, the hairline isn't like overly plucked. It definitely gives like a more natural, somewhat thin hairline, but more on the full side hairline. And as you can already see, the lace is clearly transparent and it blends very well into the skin. So I really couldn't make my mind up if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. So for this video, the girl is just going to give you 2 looks with 1 wig because it's just too many layers to not do both looks. So I'm going to start off with doing a side part. So when it came to the side part, honestly, I couldn't figure out if I wanted to do like a straight side part or a curved part. So girl, I just went for what I know, and that's doing a curved part. Now I did want my part to be a little bit wider, so I did pluck the part just a little bit, but not a whole lot. And here I'm just going in, of course, with the holding spray just to secure the wig down, because if you're not new here, you already know how I get down, but if you are new here, I don't use any glue to secure my wig down. And then of course, with doing a curved part, I am going to bring some edges out and create some baby hairs on the wig, because that's just what I like to do. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Okay, y'all, so I picked up this T3 curling iron, and oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe it took me this long to get this curling iron. Yes, it's white, but so far it does not like stain. You know, sometimes you can get a curling iron or even a flat iron, and over time, as you continue to use it, it leaves like a brown stain or a brown residue. I'm not getting that with this curling iron. The hair literally goes through the barrel with no problem. It's so smooth, y'all. Like, I can't believe I waited this long to get this damn curling iron, but it is expensive. It's like $169, so I am going to try to find coupon code or somewhere else where it's cheaper, because it will be going back to Ulta. But I definitely knew I had to put curls in this wig because of all the beautiful layers that was just popping in that wig, or in this wig, when I was trying it on for the first time. So yeah, girl. So I'm pretty much just doing like the whole Kim K curls, or the curls that you curl are going away from your face. And so now I'm about to finger comb the curls and come up with a cute style.
Check up on it.
So that was quick. Now that I have my entire head curled, I'm going to go ahead and take my fingers and loosen the curls by just basically running my fingers through the curls and just seeing what I come up with. So because this wig has a lot of layers in it, curls should just be flowing. So some pieces I will have to go in and just recurl certain little sections because it maybe just didn't, fall the way I wanted it to. Like this front piece right here, girl, it is playing with me right now, but I'm gonna get it together. So this is pretty much look one. Look at this lace and this hairline, y'all. Literally growing out of my scalp. RPG Show has done it again. They never fail, the girls, always delivering. So this is the first cute little side part.
Check up on it, got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
So yeah, that style was real cute and a lot of volume is in this hair. So I have to do a middle part on this wig and see what it gives. So like I told you girls earlier, you definitely get a clean part with this wig, but like I said, you get a lot of volume with this hair. So I did have to go in and kind of press out the roots a really good amount, which is not a bad thing. I'm not complaining at all because I love a wig with volume, and the simple fact that this wig already came with a lot of layers, love it. I don't even have to like mess up a wig trying to add layers. I ain't even complaining, girl. So of course I have a baby hair on this wig already from the previous style, so I'm going to go ahead and add a baby hair to the other side of the wig, of course, because I want it to be even and I want two baby hairs. this wig, especially the layers on this wig. I have always wanted a wig to just be cut like this, but I could never find anybody to cut my wig up like this. I could never cut my wig up like this. I mean, I did have one wig that I cut up really, really good. But the lace didn't look like this. Like, it was always something. Either I cut my hair really good and the lace wasn't on point, or vice versa. But this wig right here, everything is perfect. Lace is perfect, layers is perfect, everything is just perfect. So I would definitely recommend this wig because it's just bomb. So I don't really know which style I like the most, y'all. Middle part or a curved part. So I don't know. What y'all think? Either way, it's giving a lot of body. It's giving very much natural. It's giving very much it's your hair. This is a really nice wig. RPG Show definitely did their thing with this wig, and I love how the hairline on this wig is so natural looking. It literally looks like it is my hair.
Check up on it, I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it, check up on it, I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got it, flown it, I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it, flown it, I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Come over and 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 check up on it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Come over and check up.
Okay, y'all, and this is pretty much the final look to the middle part style of this wig. Just want to slow down the clip so you girls can really get into the layers on this wig. Turn my head to the side so you girls can really get into it and see it. The layers are perfect and the curling on is amazing. So y'all will absolutely be seeing this wig a lot more on Instagram, throughout videos, and everywhere, child, because this is about to be hands down my favorite wig because it's just that beautiful and amazing. Just look at that body. Look at how this wig is flowing. Girl, get you this wig and stop playing. Bye, y'all.